Hi, I'm Miss Caitlin, and welcome to another edition of Snack Attack with Lafayette Public Library. Today we are going to be making chewy Cheetos sugar cookies. So for that, you're going to need a package of sugar cookie mix. This one's just over a pound. That's kind of important. An entire bag of Cheetos Puffs. Regular size is good. An egg. And an entire cup of melted butter. That's about 2 sticks. Okay, so first things first, we need to destroy these Cheeto Puffs. The dustier it is, the better it mixes in. So then we're gonna add the egg. And break up the yolk a little bit. Add in the sugar cookie mix. Butter. Okay. And we're gonna stir. All right, now I'm gonna slowly start adding the Cheeto powder. You might have to use all of it, you might not. We're just gonna add it until the dough is pretty dry. If you see any big chunks, break them up with your spoon. It smells cheesy. And it's turning a fantastic orange color. I think we've put all the Cheeto dust we're gonna get in here. That's okay, we still have just a little bit left to sprinkle on our cookies when we're done. So, got my baking sheet here. There's a lot of butter in this, so you probably don't need to grease it beforehand, but if you'd feel better doing that or lining it with some parchment paper or something, that works too. We're gonna make about 2 tablespoon balls. So not too big, because they will spread. Okay, press them down on the sheet. All right, now that I've got the pan pretty full, I'm gonna put them in a 375-degree oven for 9 to 11 minutes, just until they're brown on the edges and pretty well set. Okay, we got our cookies out of the oven and they've been cooling for a couple of minutes. You can see how orange they came out. Isn't that exciting? I baked them for right at about 10 minutes and they've got nice brown edges. Let's see how they came out. I like it. It's sweet, it's cheesy, it's kind of salty. Definitely a win. I'll see you next time.